Please pause the use of electronic devices so that we can have your attention for just a moment as we show you the safety features of our Airbus 320. Please verify tray tables are up and the seat back is in its full upright and locked position. Any carry-on items under the seat in front of you are pushed all the way forward so your row is completely clear. Make sure your small electronic devices are either held or secured in a pocket, seat pocket, or carry-on for takeoff. At this time, if you pull out that safety information card in the seat back pocket, you can follow along as we demonstrate important safety features of our aircraft. The seat belt fasten by insert the metal end into the buckle. To tighten, pull on the loose strap, and to release, lift up on the top of the buckle. The seat belt should be worn low and tight across your lap. Our aircraft has 8 emergency exits. There are 2 door exits in the front and 2 door exits in the rear of the cabin. In addition, there are 4 overwing exits, 2 on each side. Each is equipped with an evacuation slide that inflates automatically when opened, and the slides at each exit door may be used as rafts. An additional life raft is located in overhead bin as noted on the safety information card. Red and white signs overhead and lights on the floor lead to all exits. Take a look and find your nearest exits, keeping in mind it might be behind you. In the event of a water evacuation, use a life vest under your seat. Remove the vest only when instructed by a crew member. Pull the red strap to open the container and remove the pouch. Pull the tab to one side to remove the vest. Place the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, and insert the end into the buckle pull to tighten. Once outside the aircraft, pull down sharply on the red tab on the front or blow into the red tube near your shoulder to inflate the vest. The vest is equipped with a water-activated light. The location and use of life vests for small children can be found in the safety information card. If needed, due to loss of cabin pressure, 4 oxygen masks will drop from the compartment overhead. Pull down on the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. To adjust, pull on the elastic tabs on either side. Make sure to adjust your own mask before assisting a child or another passenger. Although oxygen is flowing, the bag may not inflate. Federal aviation regulations require passenger compliance with flight information signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions, including information on seatbelts and smoking. Smoking of any kind, including the use of electronic cigarettes and vapor sticks, is not allowed on the aircraft. This includes the lavatories. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying a lavatory smoke detector. Thank you for your attention. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy your short 1 hour, 30-minute flight to San Antonio.